got WNG545 on. Oh! Oh, what the heck? That's funny.
This broadcast and the world alarm feature will vary with distance from the transmitter. This test is conducted each day. In that case, will be for Vermont. In that case, the test will be held on.
Oh, I got both. Hell yeah. Alright, let's try WXL93 again without getting interrupted. Ooh. Come back out. I'll actually leave that on. It's a little rainy right now, but how did that just fail to go off? I had that perfect. It decided to go static right on the weekly again. What a joke.
It was partly sunny with a temperature of 66 at Montpelier and 66 at Burlington. It was cloudy with a temperature of 63 at Zachary, 63 at Harvard, and 61 at Portland.